Hello everyone, welcome to my session on number test. See, this number test purely based on logic. Here, the sequence of numbers are there. Some group of numbers or digits, whatever it is. So about 10 digits or 20 digits, whatever it is. Based on those digits, they ask some questions purely based on logic. Ascending order, descending order, interchange the digits, subtraction of the digits, add the digits, etc., etc., etc. Here is a very, very, very simple topic in entire reasoning part. But if you get the logic, it's very easy. You will get the answer. If you don't get the logic, then also you will get the answer. The difference is, if you get the logic, you will get the answer which is less than 10 seconds. Suppose if you don't get the logic, it takes 1 minute or 2 minutes. So purely based on your creativity, your logical thinking ability. Okay. Now, let us start my first question in the numbers test. Right. What is the first question here? Here, if 2 is subtracted from each odd digit and 3 is added to each even digit in the number something. What is the number here? 3, 6, 7, 5, 2, 4, 9. What is the first condition? 2 is subtracted from each odd digit. So, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. And next, 3 is added to every even digit. If 3 is added to every even digit, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Now, what is the result here? First, you observe the result that this is equal to 1, this is equal to 9, this is equal to 5, this is equal to 3, this is equal to 5, this is equal to 7, and this is equal to 7. Now, what is the question? How many digits will appear twice in the new number form? In new number form, enti 1, 9, 5, 3, 5, 7, 7. What we require? How many digits will appear twice in the new number form? So what happened? 5 and 5, 2 times, 7 and 7, 2 times. So total how many digits? That is equal to 2. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 2. That's it. It's a very simple. Okay. Now, no need to write all these things. See, here what 2 is subtracted from each odd digit. So directly write down this answer, and 2 is subtracted from every odd digit and 3 is added to even digit. So 3 becomes to 1, 6 becomes to 9, 7 becomes to 5, 5 becomes to 3, 2 becomes to 5, 4 becomes to 7, and 9 becomes to 7. So what happened? That is equal to 5, 5, 7, 7. Here 5 appeared 2 times and 7 appeared 2 times. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 2. అంతేకాని -2 +3 ఇలా చేయడానికి మాత్రం ట్రై చేయొద్దు. Right. Next question. If the digits in the number 8, 6, 4, 3, 5, 1, 9, 2 are arranged in ascending order, what will be the difference between the digits which are second from the right and fourth from the left in the new arrangement? Here, what are the digits? That is equal to 8, 6, 4, 3, 5, 1, 9, 2. Here, what is the first condition? First, you need to write all the digits in an ascending order. So that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Now, what is the question here? What will the difference between the digits which are second from the right? What is the second from the right? That is equal to 8. And fourth from the left. What is the fourth from the left? That is equal to 4. Now, what we require? What will the difference between the digits which are second from the right and fourth from the left? So 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Now, come to this case. See, no need to write down all these things. Suppose if you write down all the digits in the ascending order, what we require, the difference between the second from the right end. Suppose if you write down all the digits in the ascending order, extreme right, that is equal to 9 or not. What is the second digit from your right? That is equal to 8, right? Now, suppose if you write down the ascending order, what we required, fourth digit from your left hand side. So what is the first? 1, second 2, third 3, and fourth 4 are not. 8 minus 4, that is good 4. 4 is the answer. That's it. Right? Now, go to the next question. If each of the digits in the number 9, 2, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7, 3, arranged in ascending order, what will the difference between the digits which are fourth from the right and third from the left in the new arrangement? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటంటే ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. What we require? What is the difference between the digits which are fourth from the right? Fourth from the right, that is equal to 5. And next, third from the left. What is the third from the left? That is equal to 3. What we require? The difference between these two numbers. So 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Now, without writing the ascending order, here, what we require? The difference between the fourth from the right. So if you write down all the digits in an ascending order, what is the rightmost digit? That is equal to 9 or not. So that is equal to first. 8 is the second. 7 is the third. What is the fourth? That is equal to 5. Just observe carefully, you will get the answer. Minus, here third from the left. That means what is the least number? That is equal to 1. Next least number 2. Next least number 3. So the difference between 5 and 3, that is equal to 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. That's it. Next one. If 1 is subtracted from each odd digit and 1 is added to each even digit to the number 5, 2, 4, 9, 8, 3, 6. Which of the following will be the difference between the third digit from the left and the third digit from the right of the new number form? See. What is the question here? 1 is subtracted from each and every odd digit and 1 is added to even digit. 1 is subtracted from odd digit, add 1 to even number, add 1 to even number, subtract 1 from the odd digit, add 1 to even number, subtract 1 from odd digit and add 1 to even number. Now this is equal to 4, this is equal to 3, this is equal to 5, 8, 9, and this is equal to 2, and this is equal to 7. Now, 1 is subtracted from each odd digit and 1 is added to each even digit in the number. Which of the following will be the difference between the third digit from the left and the third digit from the right thus formed? Okay. Now, is it any ascending or descending? There is no ascending and descending, right? So, third from the left, that is equal to 5. Third from the right, that is equal to 9. So, what we require? The difference between 5 and 9, that is equal to 4. Here, not mentioned whether all the digits are in the ascending order or descending order. Suppose here the word ascending or descending mentioned, then you need to write all the digits into either ascending order or in descending order. Okay, but here that condition is not there. Now come to this case. So without using this case, what is the question? Which are the following the difference between the third digit from the left? So that is this position. And third digit from the right, that is the this position. Okay, third digit from the left and third digit from the right. Here, both are even digits. What is the condition if the digit is an even number? There is one extra. Okay, that means you need to add 1 to 4 and 8 also. Ultimately, what we require the difference. Suppose if you add 1 to each number, then 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. That is the one way. What is the other way? No need to add. Why? Because yeah, these two are even numbers. So simply subtract 4 from 8. That is 4 is the required answer. Okay, no need to do all these things. But initially, you need to practice like this. After you got an confidence, then only you move to this method. Right? Next question. If the digits in the number 2, 5, 6, 7, 3, 9, 4, 8 are arranged in ascending order from the left to right, what will the sum of the digits which are fourth from the right and third from the left in the arrangement? See, what are the digits? 2, 5, 6, 7, 3, 9, 4, 8. Suppose if you write down all the digits in an ascending order, then what happened? They go 2, 3, 5, sorry, 2, 3, 4. Just a moment. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, what is the sum of the digits from the fourth from the right? What is the fourth from the right? That is equal to 6. And next, third from the left. What is the third from the left? That is equal to 4. Now, what we required? We required the sum. What is the sum? 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Now, here, no need to take an ascending order. See, what we required fourth from the left, fourth from the right. Suppose if you write down all the digits in an ascending order, what is the largest digit? That is equal to 9. What is the previous number? That is equal to 8. First one, that is equal to 9. What is the previous number? That is equal to 8. What is the previous number? That is equal to 7. What is the previous number? That is equal to 6. That means 6 is a fourth digit from your right hand side. Okay. Now, what is the next one? From the left, that means least to highest. Which digit is least in this case? That is equal to 2. Next list 3. Next list, that is equal to 4. That means no need to write down all these things. Just you should take the sum of these two numbers, 6 plus 4, 10. That is your required answer. Next case, if 2 is subtracted from each odd digit and 1 is added to each even digit in the number 7, 6, 5, 2, 3, 4, 8. Which are the following the sum of the second digit from the right and the third digit from the left in the new number form? Here, no need to write down the ascending or descending order. Okay, right. Now come to this case. 2 is subtracted from odd digit and 1 is added to an even digit. So 7 minus 2, 6 plus 1, 5 minus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 plus 1, 8 plus 1. Why? Because odd digits subtracted 2, even digit add 1. So this is equal to 5, this is equal to 7, this is equal to 3, this is equal to 3, this is 1, this is 5, and this is equal to 9. Now what we require? The sum of the second digit from the right. Second digit from the right, that is equal to 5. And third digit from the left. What is the third digit from the left? That is equal to 3. 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8 is the answer. Now come to this case. Here what we require? Third digit from your left. Third digit from your left. That is equal to 5. And next, second digit from your right. That is equal to 4. Now what we required? We required subtracted 2 from the odd digit and add 1 to the even number. So what happened here? If you subtract 2 from this number, so that is equal to 3. And if you add 1 to this number, so that is equal to 5. So that is equal to 8. No need to do all these things. No need to subtract 2 from 7, add 1 to 6, subtract 1 to 2, sorry, add 1 to 2 and subtract 2 from 3, etc., etc., etc. Here, what we require? Just to apply that logic on that particular digit only. Okay, so ఇదంతా చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే మనకి టైం కిల్లింగ్. నీకు ఎప్పుడైనా సరే గుర్తుంచుకోండి, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో మెయిన్ మీకు టైం కిల్ చేయడానికి చూస్తారు. మనం దాని నుంచి మనం ఎస్కేప్ అవ్వాలి అంతే, అంతమించి ఇంకా లేదు. ఎందుకంటే 40 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే 40 out of 40 ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు సాల్వ్. బట్ ఎంత టైంలో చేస్తున్నాం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Another format. Study the set of numbers given below and answer the question which follow: 427, 581, 839, 275, and 589. What is the question? Which of the following numbers here? What is the question? Just a moment. Right. Here, which of the following numbers will be obtained if the second digit of the greatest number is subtracted from the second digit of the lowest number after adding 1 each to the number? What is the question? Which are the following numbers obtained if the second digit of the largest number is subtracted from the second digit of the lowest number after adding 1 to each of the numbers? Okay, if you observe, here total 5 numbers are there, 3-digit number. Here we obtain second digit of the greatest number. What is the second digit? What is the greatest number here? That is equal to 839. What is the second digit? That is equal to 3. Okay, subtracted from second digit of the lowest number. What is the lowest number? That is equal to 275. Okay, subtracted 3 from 7, so that is equal to 4. Okay, second lowest number after adding 1 to each of the numbers. That is very, very important. Here, what is the condition? After adding 1 to each of the numbers. Okay. So, after adding 1 to each of the numbers, suppose if you add 1 to each number, then what happened? So this becomes to 428. This becomes to 582. This becomes to 840. This becomes to 276, and this becomes to 590. Now what we require of the second digit of the greatest number. What is the greatest number in this case? That is equal to 840. What is the second digit? That is equal to 4. And next is second digit of the lowest number. What is the lowest number? That is equal to 276, right? So second digit, that is equal to 7. So what is the difference? That is equal to 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. See, here we required the second digit of the largest number, second digit of the lowest number. What is the largest number? 839. What is the lowest number? That is equal to 275. Nothing to worry about that one. Okay, so forget about the remaining digits. We focus on these 2 digits only, 839 and 275. Now, if you add 1 to 839, then this becomes to 840. And what is the second digit? That is equal to 4 or not? What is the second digit? That is equal to 4. And next, here, what is the next one? Lowest number, there were 275. Suppose if you add 1 to that number, then what happened? That becomes to, that is equal to 7 only. There is no change at all. Okay, now what is the question here? Which of the following numbers obtain the second digit of the greatest number subtracted from the second digit of the lowest number? So that means if we require the difference of these 2 numbers, so that is equal to 3. Okay, so focus on largest number and the smallest number and solve the question. Right. Next one. if in each number the first and the last numbers are interchanged. If in each number the first and last digits are interchanged, which of the following will be the third highest number? See, suppose the first digit and last digits are interchanged, then what happens? First number becomes to 724. Why? Because here first and last digit, that means first and third digits. And this is equal to 185. And this is equal to 938. And this one becomes to 572. And this becomes to 985. Here, the first and third digits interchange. And what is the question? What is the third highest number? Suppose if you write down all the numbers in ascending order, then this becomes 185, 572, 724, 938, and 985. Now, what we require? We require the third highest number. What is the third highest number? That is equal to 724. What about 724? That is equal to 427 or not. So what is the answer? Option A is the correct answer. Now, how to solve this question? Here, if the first and third digits are interchanged, we require the highest number. Now, suppose first and third digits are interchanged, that means the third digit occupies the first place. Okay, so what we require? Third highest. So now you focus on our last digits only. 9, 9, and then 7. Okay, so third highest. So what is the third highest? So that is equal to first highest must be ending with 9. Second highest, first or second, whatever it is. After ending 9, then ending with 7 or not. So suppose if you interchange these two values, that equals 724. Okay, so when if suppose first one and third digits are interchanged, so what is the answer? Answer is equal to 427. No need to interchange and no need to write down ascending order or descending order, whatever it is. Right? Go to the next question. If in each number the second and third digits are interchanged, suppose second and third digits are interchanged, here the first number becomes to 472, second number 518, third one 893, fourth one 257, fifth one 598. If in each number the second and third digits are interchanged, which will be the second highest number? We require the second highest. What is the first highest? That is equal to 893. What is the second highest? That is equal to 598. So what is the answer? 598. So 598. What about this one? That is 589 or not. So that is the answer. Okay. Now come to this case. If in each number the second and third digits are interchanged. Okay. Now what about the first digit? There is no change at all. There is no change at all. Okay. Now, what we require highest number? Obviously, this is the highest number. Now, focus on second number and third number only. 581, 589. Suppose interchange the second and third digits, then what happened? This becomes to 598 and this becomes 518 or not. So, obviously, we require the second number only. So, what is the answer? Answer equal to 589. Next question. If 2 is subtracted from first digit of each and every number, and then first and third digits are interchanged, which of the following will be the lowest? Numbers are 427, 581, 839, 275, 589. Now, what we require? 2 is subtracted from first digit. Okay, 2 is subtracted from first digit. Suppose if you subtract 2 from first digit, minus 2. Two is subtracted from first digit of each number. So then it becomes to 227. This is 381. This is 639. This is equal to 75. This is equal to 389. Okay, 075 or 75. Now, the first and third digits are interchanged. The first and third digits are interchanged. Then what about this value? So that equal to 722. Here 183. Here 836. Here 570. And here 983. Which are the following will be the lowest? What is the lowest number? That is equal to 183, which is required answer. Right? Now, come to this case. What is the condition if 2 is subtracted from the first digit? Okay, that's okay. What is the next one? In each of the numbers, and the first and the third digits are interchanged. That means the third digit occupied first place and the first digit occupied the third place. Which are the following will be the lowest place? That means here 2 is subtracted from which digit, first or third? That is equal to first. Now interchange first and third, then first digit becomes the third digit or not. So we require the lowest value. So of this 71959, which is the lowest value? 1 or not? Okay. Suppose if you subtract 2 from any one of these numbers, lowest number should be becomes to 581 only. Why? Because first and the third digits are interchanged. So 581 becomes to 185. Okay. So what is the answer? Option B is the correct answer. See, this entire thing, this is the conventional procedure. I'm going to explain conventional procedure and the logic method also. Okay. First, you need to suppose if you have good command over the conventional procedure, logic is very simple. Right? Go to the next one. Study the set of the numbers of, okay, whatever it is. If in each number, all the 3 digits are arranged in ascending order, which are the following will be the third lowest number? Okay. Here the numbers are 427, 581, 839, 275, 589. Here all the digits are in the ascending order. All the digits are ascending order. Okay. Each number, all the 3 digits arranged in an ascending order. So 247, 158, here 389, 257, here 589. That's it. Which of the following will be the third lowest number? First lowest 158, second lowest 247, third lowest 257 or not. So what is the answer? 275, which is required answer. What is the answer? 275. Now come to this case. Ascending order. Here, what we required? We required the third. We required the third lowest. If you observe, if all the digits are ascending order, what is the first number? That is equal to 2. Here, what is the first number? That is equal to 1. What is the first number? That is equal to 2. Here we required the third. That means compare between these two values or not. Compare between those two values. Suppose if you observe all the digits are ascending order, first digit is 2. What is the next digit? That is equal to 4. First digit is 2. What is the next digit? That is equal to 5 or not. So here 581 is the first lowest number. What is the next? 427. And what is the next number? 275. That is answer. Is it clear? So ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఫస్ట్ 581 చెక్ చేయక్కర్లేదు, ఎందుకంటే అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ 1 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి. ఇక రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి, మనం 427 అండ్ 275 చెక్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఏ డిజిట్ వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 బోత్ కేసెస్లో. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి వస్తుంది? ఎక్కడైతే 4, ఎక్కడైతే 5. వాట్ వి రిక్వైర్డ్? థర్డ్ లోయెస్ట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లోయెస్ట్, this is the second lowest, and what about this one? That is the third lowest. So what is the answer? Answer is 575. Next, what will be the last digit of the third number from the top when they are arranged in descending order after reversing the position of the digits within each number? Here the numbers are 517, 325, 639, 841, 792. What will the last digit of the third number? Okay, either ascending or descending. Why? Because here only 5 numbers are there. Okay, from the top, when they are arranged in descending order or the descending order, whatever it is, here only 5 digits, 5 numbers are there, either ascending order or descending order. The third number will be the middle number. Okay, after reversing the position of the digits within each number. That is the question. Here, if you observe carefully, reversing the digits, this is equal to 715. Just a moment. Change this one. Okay, this is equal to reversing 715. This is 523. This is 936. This is 148. They got 297. Okay. What will the last digit of the third number from the top when they are arranged in descending order after reversing the position? If we required the first, you need to find out third number. What is the third number? This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Okay. And what next? Here we require the last digit of this number. What is the last digit? That is equal to 3. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now you check descending order, reversing order. That means you focus on unit digits only. If you take a reverse order, first digit is this one, second number is this one, and third number is this one or not? Right. And what we require? What is the unit digit? Suppose if you take a reverse order of this one, this becomes to 523. What is the unit digit? That is equal to 3. That is answer. That's it. No need to take a reverse order of each and every number. Okay. What will be the middle digit of the second lowest number after position of only the first and second digits within every number interchange? Numbers are 517, 325, 639, 841, and 792. Okay. Now, here, what will the middle digit of second lowest number after the position of only first and second digits within each numbers are interchanged? First and second digit. So, 157, 235, 369, 481, and 972. Only first and second digit interchange. What will be the middle digit of this second lowest number? What is the second? This is the first lowest number, and this is the second lowest number. What will the middle digit? What is the middle digit? That is equal to 3. That is the answer. Okay. Now, what is the logic? Here, the first and the second digits are interchanging. Okay. Now focus on, first and second, focus on middle digit. That is very, very important. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Here, what we require? This one only, right? Now, no need to find out this one. Why? Because here we interchange the first and second only. This is 36, this is 48, this is 97. Here, this is equal 15 and this is equal 23. Now, focus on this one only. Why? Because here we require the second lowest number. If you write down the interchange these two digits, 235. What we require? Middle digit. What is the middle digit? That is equal to 3. 3 is the answer. Next one. What will be the first digit of the second highest number after position of only second and third digits within each number or interchange? Yes, second and third digit. Numbers are 517, 325, 639, here 841, and next 792. Yes, second and third digits are interchanged. If the second and third digits are interchanged, then 571, 352, 693, 814, 729. Okay, what will the first digit of this second highest number? What is the highest number? That is equal to 814. What is the next highest number? That is equal to 729. Now what we required? We required the, what will the first digit of this second digit? So what is the first digit? That is equal to 7. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, now how to solve this question? If you observe, the second and third digits interchange. What we required? We required the first digit of the second highest. Your first digit not changing. Okay, so obviously this is the first number and this is the second number, right? And next, what is the question? What is the first digit of the second highest number? Suppose if you interchange these two digits, if you interchange or not interchange, whatever it is, the second number should be equal to 792. Okay, what is the first digit of 792? That is equal to 7. 7 is the correct answer. That's it. Next one. If in each number, the first and third digits are interchanged and the newly formed numbers are arranged in ascending order, which number will be the third? Okay. Numbers are 738, 495, 329, 653, 849. In each number, first and third digits are interchanged. Okay. Now, suppose first and third digits are interchanged, then what happened? This is equal to 837. This is equal to 594. This is equal to 923. This is equal to 356. And this is equal to 948. Now, in each number, the first and third digits interchange and the newly formed numbers are ascending order. Which number will be the third? Ascending order. So, lowest number, this one. Next, second number. And this one, this is the third number. What we required? We required the third number only. So that is equal to 738. Now, without write down all these things, how to solve this question? That is important. The first and third digits are interchanged. So focus on third digit only. Okay. So what is the first number? Obviously, 980. This is the first number. This is the second number. And this is the third number. What we require? Interchange and the form number, all the ascending order. Which number will be the third? 738. That is the answer. Just to focus on third digit only. Why? Because here the first and third digits are interchange. Okay. Next step. If 1 is added to the first digit of each number and 1 is subtracted from second digit, which number will be the largest? Here 738, 495, 329, 653, 849. Here 1 is added to the first digit. Here 1 is added to the first digit and 1 is subtracted from the second digit. Now, what happened? This is equal to 828. This one equal to 585. This one equal to 419. This one equal to 743. And this one equal to 939. What is the question? Which number will be the largest? So, 939, 849, which is required answer. Now, without solving this one, how to solve? Here clearly mentioned 1 is added to the first digit. Okay. There is no interchange, right? If you add 1 to each and every first digit or not, what is the largest number? That is the answer. No need to add and subtract, etc., etc. Here, suppose if you add 1 to the first digit and if you add or not, whatever it is. Why? Because add 1 to each and every number. Each and every number, first digit. Okay, so what is the answer? 849, which is required answer. If in each number, the position of the first, second digits are interchanged, which number is the smallest? Numbers are 738, 495, 329, 653, 849. Okay, the first and second digits interchange. If the interchange of the first and the second digits, then what happened? This is equal to 378. This is equal to 945. This is equal to 239. This is equal to 563. This one equal to 489. Now what we require? Which number will be the smallest number? So what is the smallest number? 239. Now, what is the condition if the first and the second digits interchange? That means the first place occupied by second digit. So focus on second digit only. What we request? Smallest. Of these numbers, which one is the smallest? That is equal to 2, 329, which is required answer. That's it. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ డిజిట్స్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ వచ్చేది ఏంటి? సెకండ్ డిజిటే కదా. అందులో సెకండ్ డిజిట్ ఏంటి? ఇందులో ఉన్న డిజిట్స్ లో స్మాలెస్ట్ ఏంటి వస్తుంది మనకి? 2 ఏనా? సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? 239, విచ్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్, if 1 is subtracted from last digit as well as the first digit, and then the second and third digits are interchanged, which number will be the second if arranged in ascending order? Numbers are 738, 495, 329, 653, 849. 1 is subtracted from the last digit as well as the first digit. Okay, now subtracted 1. This number becomes to 637. This one becomes to 394. This one becomes to 228. This one becomes to 552. This one becomes to 748. Now, what is the question? Here, 1 is subtracted from last digit as well as first digit, and then second and third digits interchange. The next step, the second and the third digits interchange. Then what happened? 673, 349, 282, 525, 784. Now, the number should be second arranged in the ascending order. Ascending order. So first 282, 349, and 525, 673, and 784. Which number will be the second? That means from smallest to largest. So what is the answer? 349. That is equal to 495, which is required answer. Now come to the logic. Here, second and third digits are interchanged. Second and third digits are interchanged. Okay. Which number will be the second if the arranged in an ascending order? So focus on the hundreds digits only. Whether if you subtract 1 from that or not, whatever it is. What is the first one? 329. What is the second one? 495 or not? That is the answer. No need to subtract 1 each from a unit digit and third digit. First digit and third digit, and interchange the second digit and third digit. No need to do all these things. Okay, just to observe carefully. If you subtract 1 from hundreds place or not, whatever it is, that result will be same. So answer is 495. Next question. If 1 is subtracted from the last digit of each number, and then the numbers are arranged in a descending order, which number will be the first? Descending order. That means we required the highest number. Here numbers are 738, 495, 329, 653, 849. One is subtracted from the last digit. Last digit means unit digit. Okay, first digit is hundreds place, right? Next, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. So the numbers are 737, 494, 328, 652, 848. Next, if you arrange the numbers in the descending order, which number will be the first? So that is obviously 849 or not. That is answer. See, no need to subtract. Here, either ascending, if you arrange any number in an ascending order or descending order based on the leftmost digit or not. Here, all are 3-digit numbers. If all are 3-digit numbers, so which number appears first? That is equal to 849 or not. Here, the condition is 1 is subtracted from the unit digit. Okay, so what about the hundreds place? That is equal to 8, 6, 3, 4, 7, etc. So what is the highest number? That is 849, which is required answer. Come to the next one. If it is possible to make 3-digit number, which is a perfect square of a 2-digit number from the second, third, fifth digits of a number, 3, 8, 5, 0, 6, 9, 2. The 2-digit number is your answer. If it is not possible, make such a number, your answer is none of these. See, here we require the number from second, third, and fifth. Second, third, and fifth. Okay, that is 8, 5, 6. See, now you form a perfect square using these digits. 856 is not a perfect square. 658 is not a perfect square. What about 586 is a perfect square? 586 also not a perfect square. So what happened? Here, none of this is not possible. Okay, here, if it is not possible to make such a number, your answer is none of this. Suppose instead of 8, suppose 9 is, sorry, if 7 is there. Next, what happened? 576 is it that equal to 24. 676 not possible. Why? Because 5 is there. But here 8. So 7 is not there. So what is the answer? Answer is not possible. This is about the number test. Okay. సో మీరు ఏంటంటే ఆ క్వశ్చన్ డిఫరెంట్గా క్లబ్ చేస్తాడు. అదేంటంటే లాజిక్ అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి మాత్రం ట్రై చేయండి. మీకు లాజిక్ వచ్చిందా, you will get an answer within less than 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay, maximum 10 seconds. Okay, right? That's all for today. We'll meet again on in the next video. Thank you, one and all.